Oh yeah, our tracks are getting fixed. It's loud, but we're thankful because every time you go over these things, clonk, 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 clonk. Watch. Here we go. Here's an example right here. Look at those railroad ties, new railroad ties. The train tracks moved when that. Did you hear that, y'all? Did you hear that? It moves right there. Okay, the train tracks are not supposed to be moving right here when you go over them right there. This is great. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for the work. You guys are annoying, but thank you.